Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Glamlite ice cream palette. And that's the box that it came in, and then you open it up and here's the palette. And you got little sprinkles in it. And open it up. You got a big mirror. And then here is the palette. Has a lot of fun colors, a lot of pretty colors. So we're going to be playing with this today, seeing what we think about it. And if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, let me take off my glasses. I'm going to put on a little bit of the Wild Nothing ColourPop Creme Shadow real quick. There's like so many looks in here that I can think of, but I think I'm going to do kind of a green. So I'm going to go into mint chocolate there. And I'm going to put that in my crease. Alright, now I'm going to take green tea down here. And I'm going to put that in my outer corner. Thinking about maybe doing more than one look with this, just because there are so many, like there's some neutrals in here I'd love to play with, some oranges. There's just so many pretty colors that it's hard to choose. And now I'm taking birthday cake right here. I'm going to put that in the other half of my lid. Taking a cotton round with some micellar water to clean that up. I'm taking the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer. And I'm going to put that on my face real quick. Alright, I'm taking the Alma Beauty Say What foundation. And my shade is Fair Lady T1C. And I'm just putting it on my brush and then going in and blending it out. And I'm going to take the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer in 08 Light. I'm going to put that on my under eyes. I'm using my concealer brush to blend that out. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do more looks with this palette, if y'all are interested in this palette. And I got some more things to review, but I can always, after I get done with those, do some videos where I do some more looks with this. Maybe do a fall look with it, which I probably will do at least one more look with it. But if y'all want me to do, I guess, my version of 7 looks, 1 palette, where I do like so many days of doing, you know, doing looks. And I'm taking my number 7 powder in light. Yeah, just let me know down below what y'all want to see with this palette. Alright, I'm taking the Revolution Bronzer Reloaded in Long Weekend. And I'm going to warm up my face with this. It's been a while since I've used this bronzer. I can't remember what I thought about it. I'm going under my chin and down my neck. Alright, I got a ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Growth Flirt. And I'm using the Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 Air, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. Went a little crazy, but taking a Super Shock highlighter in Guilty Pleasure. And I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. That one didn't take up my, maybe it was just the foundation with the, I don't know. I still haven't decided what exactly went wrong yesterday with my highlighter, my Super Shock highlighter, and it taking up my foundation, because I've used Super Shock highlighters before, like today, and it does fine. So I don't know. Maybe it was the mixture of everything kind of made it an issue. Alright, I'm going to take green tea again, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. I'm going to take French vanilla up here, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. I'm going to throw on some Thrive mascara real quick. Alright, I'm taking the Bodyography lip liner in Pouty. That's what it looks like. I'm going to line my lips real quick. Sorry, I forgot to shut the door back after a brief interlude and my daughter's fussing with her boyfriend. I'm taking the Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick, the Creme lipstick in Blushing Nude. And I'm going to put that on my lips. Taking the Milani Fruit Fetish, Make It Last in Mango Coconut. And I'm going to spray my face. Alright, well this is the final look using the Glamlite Ice Cream Dream palette. I really enjoy playing with this palette. I mean, I've used Glamlite before, so I know their formula is just amazing. So it's just, you know, if they did the colors right or whatever. I mean, when you're reviewing a formula that you already know is great, there's pretty much just, if the colors go together, just mainly the color scheme, the tones, all that. So I think it's really beautiful, like I said, and there's a lot of looks. Like even just now I saw another look that I could do, but just such a beautiful palette. So much you can do with it. You can do a darker look, a smokier look, because it's got deeper colors. You can do a lighter look. You can do a monochromatic look like what I did. You can do a super colorful look with a bunch of different colors, a rainbow look. There's just so much you can do with this palette, and it's just gorgeous. The mirror is huge, and the packaging is just so cute. So I think this palette is definitely a winner in my book. And like I said, if y'all want me to do more with it, then just let me know. I have fun playing with it. I'm at least going to do like a fall look with this palette to show you that you can do kind of like a fall deeper look with it. So just keep your eye out for that. It'll probably be a little bit, but I definitely want to take this and do a fall look with it. So I hope you like the look and like the video. If you do, hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified of my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are staying happy, healthy, taking care of yourselves, and having a great day. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.